To a boogie with the hoodie, forming a convo. Haven't checked this song out yet, but I've listened to a lot of his music. I've liked it. Uh, if you aren't a part of the family yet, hit that subscribe button down there. Hit that bell so you know all the notifications that I send out, and just peace, love, happiness, everybody. Everybody love everybody. Yelly. All right, let's go right into this. Stop the chit chat.
Just don't legit happen like this type of fucking.
I woke up to like 99 missed calls. That's like 99 people I probably pissed off. Like damn nigga, I was on a jail call. Damn niggas make me hit my cell phone. Like damn my nigga, I'm in the studio. Last time I dropped the album was like a year ago. Yeah, you telling me you starving, but I been it all like going up. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner wasn't cereal. I know it's up. You just wanna be all in the videos and smoke it up. I know you ain't really with this shit, but you just throw it up. Pretty bitches in my city.
All right off the bat, it's got that old Kanye West, like that old Kanye West videos, like Heartless and stuff like that. That's what that reminds me of. This video right here got that old, like almost comic book looking style, but he's spitting facts right now. I love the flow.
Just going up, nigga, you just wanna be around me, turn my money up. Heard them goofy niggas tryna lie me, they want smoke with us. Had to pop a addy, I was down, you had to focus up. Most of my niggas dogs, I hit up bitches that my homies fuck. I hear too much me and niggas songs, so I had to switch it up. Pick out diamonds in particular, cause I'm just rich as fuck. Rest in peace to that boy Trayvon, I got my hoodie up. They know exactly how we give it up, shoot a bully up. And you bitches know that I cannot waste no time, bitch, I'm really grinding. If I ever said I love you, never mind it. Especially when I feel like you out here dying. I threaten you, but I fuck with you, let's be honest. I hide the fact that I love to smoke on exotics.
I don't know if you guys caught that. He said, if I ever said I love you, never mind then. Like, he's going in.
Flowers, I give you all my hours. I fuck around, I miss you though. I promise, Bonnie and Clyde issues, guns around us. Bozos in my circle, they get cut quick, can't even get around. I got my hoodie on in public. House arrest in Florida, they always checked up on me. So when I was in the studio, I said I was in Publix. If you go walk in my shoes, you go walk on water. Percocets like NyQuil, got me buying sorrows. Since I've been in high school, I've been feeling heartless. I swear I was like you, now look at me ballin'. 10K.
There he makes that reference, Heartless. I told you, that's what it reminds me of, is that Heartless video.
Fly like I did party, stay with that rocket. Ooh, I go J harder, can't tell if I got it, but I stay on it. And they say friend, but it ain't nothing, cause I make money, talking big money. If I ain't go broke, stay away from me. If I ain't go broke, I'ma take money. I might go broke in my late hundreds. It's hard not to talk money, cause I got money now. And these chains around my neck over 200,000. And Puma just gave me a budget, I should say fuck it and give it to the schools, cause they need it more than I need it now. I swear I pay my dues, I should speak up more, though I play it quiet, trying to keep it cool. Like the time I was in the studio with Future and I was sitting next to my favorite rapper, acting scared to say it to him. Used to bump March Madness, pop the average because of you. After you and Juicy dropped and I got in tune. Juicy, that's my broski, I appreciate you too.
I like how he said that too. Not many people see that side of it, but he said he was sitting next to Future in the studio, sitting next to his favorite rapper, and he didn't even know how to say it to him. Like, people don't realize that these rappers are people too. So like, he was next to his favorite rapper ever, just sitting there. He didn't even know how to say it to him. Like, that's deep. Like, I'll probably be in the same boat.
First time in the garden, it was all because of you, yeah. I probably was ODing to do a song when I was new, yeah. I can't lie, yo, you was like my idol, act my crew, yeah. Right when I thought vital was vital, just got you blue, yeah. And that's my niggas too, I fuck with you, I swear to God. Type of nigga, keep that shit up, the camera's off. And I'm the type of nigga you might see in St. Laurent. Different places, Vegas, Miami, but I ain't LeBron. But different bitches, and them looking like they panties on. Listening to ETV, that's our favorite song. I don't charge bitches, bitches just like me, that's why I don't charge bitches. It's your favorite song. I don't love bitches, fuck bitches, BTV, no, I don't charge bitches. It's your favorite song. when you're home, all alone. Reminisce on my all alone. Going back, I really took your soul. Yeah, woke up with the chills, took a pill with my meal, think it's not a big deal, free all of my bills, free my nigga Pee-wee, free my nigga Skills now, and you gotta see me, how I came up now, used to wear the same shit, I ain't looking like no bum now, I'm a New York nigga, hanging laces off my uptown, grew up in the jungle where they rumbling for dust now, running around the beat like, oh, I be the big pun now, I don't know why, I feel like they wanna take my life, and it's all, wanna fuck my life, these niggas wanna take my life, and it's all.
So that I thought that was a pretty good song. Like I said, I figured it would be a good one. I enjoy his music. Let me know what you guys think. Again, you guys got any suggestions? Leave in the comments, and always checking you guys' comments. Always checking what you guys say. Trying to keep up with you guys and let you guys know what's going on. All right, you guys have a good day.